You're typing away, huh? Here. Put your bear claws on. Come here, I'll help you. Wait, let me help you. Come here, let me put them on your hands. Come here, let me put them on your hands. Okay. Okay, wait. Okay. There's your bear claw. Look here.
Ah, she's a scary bear. Help. Help. Help.
A bear. Are you a bear?
Help. Help.
Where are you going, bear? Now that I get you dressed, you gonna leave me, bear? Uh-oh. Be careful. Come here with the bear claws. Rawr. Can you say rawr? Can you say rawr? Are you a scared bear? Look at those things. Rawr. It's amazing what I can get at the dollar store, isn't it? Rawr. Are you a bear? Can you say rawr? Bear. Yeah. Yeah. Clapping bear. Hey, are you coming for my chair? Oh no, I better let this bear get up in my chair. Okay, get up in my chair, bear. Be careful now, don't fall because of his hand. There goes the bear up in the chair. It's the bear's chair. I had to let the bear have the chair. Rawr. Rawr. Did you go to typing school for that? Oh no, here comes the bear. He's going to type now.
The bear.
The bear, that's right, the bear. Bear. Mm-hmm. Okay. Bear. Here's the filthy dirty socks again. Socks, that's right, socks. Bear. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Let's see those claws. Let's turn them around. Those are pretty scary looking, aren't they? My goodness. Ooh. Bear, that's right. Okay, be careful, bear. Don't fall. Let me cut this thing off. I don't want the bear to fall out the chair. That's not how Goldilocks ended, was it?